All right.
We'll guarantee our best. Call USS.
First alert weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
So you've got heat and humidity with potential for pop-up showers.
Yeah, and that'll be the story for the evening. But tomorrow we've got a frontal system that's going to move in with better potential for more widespread showers and storms, the kind of rain that we could use across the board. We certainly need in Bowling Green. Seeing a lot of yellowish-brown lawns out there. So moisture is something we could use right now. At least a few places are seeing some rain. Here's Doppler Max. Bowling Green, we had a shower pop up just east of the city a little while ago, but most of the action for the time being is in the northwestern corner of our viewing area in parts of Ohio and Muhlenberg counties. But just moved out of Central City a short time ago. It's now crossing the Green River, moving into Rockport and Ohio County. Beat on the northern part of the county, getting a beat down right now with some heavy downpours that extend now toward Hartford along the Natural Parkway there. And then another storm just west of this one getting going in McLean County, moving toward Calhoun. A lot of lightning situated there on the northern tip of Hopkins County. These storms are moving their way generally, and a better opportunity for more showers and storms across the board comes our way late day tomorrow through tomorrow night. 91 in Bowling Green, same temperature up in Louisville. The rain cooled air in Evansville is just 78 there, but look at the heat index right now, 104 degrees, combination of the temperature and high humidity, making for a steam bath outside this afternoon. Hang in there, folks. Relief is on the way. Here's a live view of Scottsville Road traffic from our AAA Systems webcam. See some more high cloudiness over spread Bowling Green. That's at least taking some of the edge off those temperatures this evening. It's still warm at 91. It feels like reading now falling off to 99 degrees with relative humidity at 55%. Sunshine, lots of it there over Trooper Island, Dale Hollow Lake. Reading is not. Meanwhile, in Greenville, you just missed out on the rains there as storms came across Central City. Dry there at the courthouse, but a mostly cloudy sky means your temperature is now down to 84 degrees. Meanwhile, in Scottsville, sunshine, you're at 90. On air quality, still low amounts of both grass and ragweed pollen. Once we get into August, that ragweed pollen begins to ratchet on up. So hold out for you allergy sufferers. UV index very high today. Mold is moderate, same goes with the ozone count. Showers and storms on an isolated and widely scattered basis. The story, a little added lift in the atmosphere. The moisture is stretching in through the quad cities of Iowa and Illinois, farther southwest into Kansas. And that's along a cold front, a game-changing kind of system here. We got a lot of warm, humid air being pumped out ahead of it, clashing with cooler, drier air behind that. We're going to get a taste of some of that cooler, drier air for the weekend, but between now and then, still plenty of humidity to deal with, and a possibility for a strong storm or two come late Thursday. Severe weather outlook shows a marginal risk for most of our region. That's down from the slight risk earlier. Still could be a chance for an isolated damaging wind gust, however, with the strongest storms late day tomorrow. Otherwise, rain is something to use, and our possibilities for it look much better for late Thursday. Not so much in the morning. We'll wake up to driving conditions tomorrow, and then comes the thunderstorm chance by driving from out of the Midwest. Some of that rainfall could be locally heavy. Cooler, drier air winds out just in time for the start of the weekend. What a dandy of a weekend this is going to be, as highs fall into the lower 80s for Saturday and Sunday, and humidity levels fall for Bowling Green. 1.2 being projected here by our in-house model. Could be a little less than that. Could be more than that, though, depending on how the storms develop and move, especially late Thursday into Thursday night. We do need the rain. We'll take whatever we can get out of this approaching system. Isolated shower weather now will come to an end later tonight. A warm, muggy low of 74 goes to 88. Not as hot tomorrow because we'll have more clouds around, along with that better chance for showers and storms, a few which could be on the strong side late day tomorrow. Rain potential is there for Thursday night to early Friday before this system clears our region by Friday afternoon. And look what happens once it does. We're talking highs in the lower 80s Saturday. It slows down around 60 for Saturday night.
That's something to get excited about.
That is improvement.
That's right. Also excited around here. This time of year is always great because people are looking forward to the new seasons.
That's right. And one of the sports that gets to play indoors, where there's air conditioning, is high school volleyball. And one of those teams with high hopes again, the Greenwood Lady Gators, one of the teams from last season that had a special season, one of the many teams in South Central Kentucky campaign. One of those sports, volleyball.